How to fix lobby not found error code 2091 in your MW3 here on your PC or on the device wherever you're playing this. Firstly, you can see that is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, and if you're facing any error or error code 2091 with this game while playing it out on the application or while using any of the website related to the website here or the game, the main thing you do is check your Wi-Fi network connection that you are connected with a better Wi-Fi network connection with it in full strength. So the main thing, you have to click on the airplane mode button here, turn it on and then turn it off to simply fix your laptop. And the last thing you can do is simply go on your start button, click on the restart your PC option from here. What it will do is it will restart your PC, the background application, and close all the bugs happening here. So after this it will be refreshed and you can use it very smoothly. This is about the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel.